Hey, what's up everyone? So today, we are going to make a Beyblade inspired by our very favorite anime series, Ben 10. Now, we'll craft it with our skills. First, take a black-colored bottle cap and create Beyblade prong cuts with a cutter, just like Sinan bro shows in the video. Now you need a tape like this, or you can use any larger bottle cap or something circular. Attach the bottle cap with the tape, same as Sinan is doing. Now take another bottle cap and stick it at the bottom of the tape. So, Sinan is using a part of a Cho-Z launcher like this to increase the height, but it's optional. For the performance tip, a bold type tip would be better for enhanced stamina. Now, to make this look like the Ben 10 Omnitrix, Sinan is making the logo of the Ben 10 Omnitrix. Your likes and great comments really inspire Sinan to create a new video, but this video would be worth it if you hit that subscribe button below. Lastly, you can attach a rubber band for a better look, but it's totally optional. This Ben 10 Beyblade can spin steel from opponent Beyblades. Now, what are you waiting for? If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, go ahead and do it now.